as you can see, this one here is pretty rusted out, and I'm having a flickering at night. It's not really working well, so I'm going to have to change that out. And basically I just got to unplug it, get a new one and put it in there. But it is kind of precarious because I've got all this stuff here, but it shouldn't be too hard to do. Let's get the electricity off of it. Okay, so now we're unplugged. And then step two, we just got to pull it off of its thing, and then work on it. I'll probably just lay it down here to work on it. But yeah, that's what we're going to do. We're going to fix this right now. We're going to use this one right here, and yep, that's it there. We got to get it out of its package. Here's the unit itself, right? And if you flip it over, this is where you connect your wires down here. It's got a little thing, so we got to put like one there, one there, and one there, and one there. And then we just snap this on there. And so we need a Phillips head screwdriver. And then we plug this in, and we just set it to, you know, whatever we want to set it to. Let's go ahead and we'll plug it in down here and we'll check it out. Maybe we gotta hold it. Okay, there we go. So now it's on the on button. And I think I can go around by clicking on it. So that's dusk, dawn, right? And then if I go here, it's 2 hours, 8 hours, and that's dusk on, timer off. So it's showing 5:16 in the AM, but that's not the correct time. So we got to put the correct time in. So let's go clock. And I'm just going to go, okay, that's PM. And I'm going to enter this. I'm going to make it, no, I want to go to 4. And then this one I want to go, oh shit, look at that. I screwed up. Whoops, let's go up 4. Okay, let's go here. And this is going to be 4. There we go. So that's the time. Then I hit it again. Bam. So now we've got our time set, right? And so it's dusk on, timer off. So we've got it all set, ready to go. Now we just got to put our lines on. All right, so I'm thinking really we're just going to need this Phillips head, but you never know, right? First thing, I got to get this off. It's unplugged, so that's good. It just comes right off of there. And then I've got to take these off the bottom. I've got to unhook these, and then we got to hook them up onto there. All right, so I've got to find screw heads that'll fit in there. Those are too fat. All right, so this one came with these super thin heads that will fit in there. So now I've got to switch it out. Let me see if this will work in there. Yeah, I think we'll be good. I think I can screw that right in. You know what I mean, jelly beans? Get a little closer so you can see. And then I think we should be good. Just got to get it right about there. And then this one I'm going to have to take out of there. Put this one in. And I'm hoping that they're about the same distance. Yep, should work. We'll see. Now I gotta see if I can back it out. There we go. Okay, so we're gonna be like that. And I think we'll be okay. I think it's gonna work. Now we've just gotta switch these out. All right, so you can see I've got 2 sets over here. We can get rid of this. Move that over. And so now I just gotta see how it's got common 12, common 12. So that I'm gonna do the exact same thing here. So if you look here, it says COM and 12. Common 12, common 12. So I've got to take these and I'm going to put them here. So there's common 12, common 12. So first thing I'm going to do is pop this off. And then we'll go ahead and we'll start with this line here. So I'm just going to loosen this. Just enough to get the wire out. You know what I mean? Just like that. And then I just got to pull it a little bit. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to put it in these. I got to loosen these. Loosen them both. like that. And then what I want to do is I want to get this wire kind of straight so that I can plug it in there. Let me hang on to this. There, let me show you. Put it up here. So I've got to get it down inside there, you know what I mean? So I'm going to put it up like this. You follow me? All right, so I've got to get it behind here, right? So I want to loosen this a little bit more, I think. Like that. And then these are going to go in there. Let me tilt it a little bit so I can get a better view here. Yeah. It's a pain in the butt, man. Okay, so that's good. Let's see if I can shove this in there. Now I'm going to tighten it. Got to get it in nice and tight. Okay, that one's in. Okay, let's get this one in there. Let me move it over this one. Got to get those nice and... There we go. All right, get it in there. Maybe I need to come out a little bit more until I can get it in. Okay, let's tighten it. I think we might be okay. Yeah, I think these are in. I think I got a fairly good contact. I want to get it tight. All right, that's good. All right, now let's do these two here, right? So I'm going to do this one, the common, and then I'm going to do the other one, the 12 volt. That's nice and loose. That's nice and loose. Now we got to get these loose over here. There we go. Get this one. You can't see what I'm doing. Just loosening these. And then pop them out. Bam. So now we just got to pull this a little bit because we need it. So we're going to go ahead and slide these in. This one's going to go in there. Just like that. Right? In there. And then I'm just going to tighten it down on it. Okay, let's get this one in. Slide it right in there. Come on, man. Just do what you're supposed to do. Get in the hole. Here we go. Okay, now we're good. Okay, so this one is done. Now all we got to do is put this on the wall and plug it in. Okay, so let's go ahead. Now we've got this, and it should just slide right on there. I'm hoping. Should just set like that, and then we should just be able to go ahead and plug it in, right? So we got to plug her in. Okay, now we're plugged in. Now you can see there it is. Oh, look, we're already set. I don't even have to do anything. So now, hopefully at dusk, all these lights will come on. So we'll see. We'll check it out as soon as it gets dark. Cross your fingers it works. All right, as you can see, the lights have come on. It is dusk, and we do have, yep, we're lit up. So yeah, so it's definitely working, as you can see. All right, if you like this video, subscribe to my channel and check out my other awesome videos on stuff like this. Peace out.